Hi everyone, I'm Sanchita. We have a design studio in Gurgaon by the name of Design Destino. We're into interiors, graphics, and web series.
Thank you.
We have Karan
Pramodji.
Arunaki, Punjab. No, he's not here. Amit Saji. Amit
Myself,
Saji.
Amit, myself, Amit Shah from the Sign Interior, Pune.
I think you can go for the next.
The turn for team designers. We're all here. I'm Sanchita. We have Amit Shahji and Smitaji who will be co-hosting and taking it further for today's presentation. So this discussion today is to cater to because we're all wondering how to operate post-lockdown. Based on the need of the hour and post lockdown, there may be specific situations where we need to operate our internal teams as well as coordinate sites virtually. Therefore, virtual spaces and workspaces may be our go to solution for the need of the hour, and we can also name it as the new normal. Moving on, what do you expect in today's meeting will be interactive team coordination within a design studio, effective online presentation tools, basic execution tools, and overcoming some challenges using digital apps such as virtual site tours. Let's begin. The process of any design is ideation and planning. The second is, of course, team coordination. And the third is execution. Virtual workspaces focuses primarily on team coordination and tools that are readily available. Both kinds of coordinations are important for the smooth execution of any project. Internal coordination, that is within the design studio, and the external coordination, that is something with the contractors and the clients. Let's see an example to understand how it works. Before we move forward, I would request everyone to be on mute. In case there are any questions, please put them in the chat box and we will take them at the end of the presentation. Let's begin. Smita, please unmute yourself. Okay, are we ready?
Yes.
Yeah.
This is a team coordination tool that is discussing between the design studio, the client, and the contractor. There are different mediums the client contacts a designer. It could be any of the social handles, or in this case, what we've taken as is that the client searches for a designer, and after a short listing of going through designers, visits a website and further contacts them.
There is a scene one. So I am representing client, and Sanchita is acting as a designer. So there is a first conversation between us. Hi, may I speak to Design Studio?
Yes, speaking. How may I assist you?
Am I speaking with Miss Sanchita?
Yes. Can I know whom am I speaking to?
Yeah, this side Amit Shah. I'm
Okay.
calling from Gurgaon. Sorry, I'm calling from Bangalore. I have noticed you are based in Gurgaon. So can you work in Bangalore?
Yes, Amitji. Most of our projects are virtually handled, so we definitely can.
Thank you.
The client actually worries how would the coordination of a team take place virtually. Moving on to scene 2, the designer explains how they coordinate virtually the operation methods of a virtual workspace. Amitji, the virtual workspace is where we connect via WhatsApp, Zoom call, Google Hangouts, and make effective tools that are available to us easily to propose our reference images, get approvals on the design, use 3D views for making presentation using TeamViewer so you can have a better control of the app and our screen. And designs are submitted, all of them, in a PDF format, and on-site coordinations are often taken once in a week or as when required. But our request is if you could have a skilled contractor appointed for the project.
Sounds great. Share us the presentation and your procedure. And yes, I do have a skill contractor in mind for the quality works design.
The designer mails the presentation and the client calls the contractor. Meanwhile, this is the kind of presentation a designer virtually can share via mail or take it through in the form of a team viewer where the client has a clear indication of controlling the designer's screen in order to point out any of the queries during a meeting. Here, we've shared the layouts, the concept and reference images to get a better understanding of the look and feel of the kind of proposal the designer is preparing. These are other references that can be very specific to a particular space or the overall look and feel of the entire house. The client and the designer's document exchange previously shown is prior the project approval. The designer confirms that the client has received the mail, and we can further take it forward by sending a Google form to know the exact requirements in case it was not clear during the presentation. Further, in order to gain more confidence for the client and the client to feel more happy about going for a distant designer as well, we can offer them website testimonials, social platform presence, and using different links such as Instagram, Facebook, Behance, or anywhere that any of our clients have given us feedback.
So the client revert back.
Yeah.
Client revert back the mail with the acknowledgement. We further ask the designer to attach some execute site project works. So in reply to designer sent a testimonial or social links, and while looking at client appreciate going through the work profile and experience and thinks of approving after through insight study.
These are the kind of samples of documents that are exchanged during this process. Over here, we see Google Forms that can have descriptive options for the client to choose and mark the exact requirements. For example, what kind of carpet area they have, what kind of rooms that are best described, and what kind of interiors they're looking for. Over here, there are certain social handles that can help. For example, the website over here, the Facebook page over here, and other web portals that may already have your client feedback and testimonials to make sure that the client is fully satisfied and you can prove your genuinity in case any ambiguities. Scene 3, the client calls the contractor.
And our contractor is स्मिता जी. जी स्मिता जी, मुझे अपने घर का काम करवाना है. आपके पास फील्ड टीम है?
जी अमित जी, सर बिल्कुल, आप बोलिए कब से स्टार्ट करना है?
सेकेंड क्वेश्चन आपका ही है स्मिता जी.
सर कैसे काम होगा? आपके डिजाइन्स रेडी है क्या?
नो स्मिता जी, आपको मेरे घर का मेजरमेंट लेने होंगे और उसे डिजाइनर मैडम को भेजना होगा. मैं आपसे उनका नंबर शेयर करता हूँ, आप उनसे बात कर लीजिए.
ओके सर जी, आप जैसा बोलो मैं आज ही उनसे बात करके आपको बताती हूँ. आप प्लीज उनका नंबर मुझे शेयर कर दीजिए.
जी बिल्कुल.
The contractor calls up the designer.
हेलो, डिजाइनर मैडम से बात हो रही है?
हाँ जी, बोलिए, आप कौन?
मैं कॉन्ट्रैक्टर बोल रही हूँ बैंगलोर से. मुझे आपका नंबर अमित जी ने दिया था अपने घर के डिजाइनिंग के रिगार्डिंग. तो मैम आप बताइए कि प्रोसेस वगैरह कैसा होगा?
अच्छा, तो आप एक काम करेंगी, ठीक है, मुझे साइट मेजरमेंट्स भेज दीजिए, रिक्वायरमेंट्स मेरे पास हैं और साइट का एक वीडियो भी भेज दीजिए.
मैम वो तो हो जाएगा, बट मुझे एक कंफ्यूजन है. अगर आप थोड़ा बता देंगे कि वीडियो लेनी कैसी है?
अगर आप अपना फोन का कैमरा पकड़ेंगे और बाहर से अंदर तक एंटर करते हुए जाएंगे, 360 डिग्रीज अगर आप रिवॉल्व करेंगे तो हमें पूरा व्यू मिल जाएगा. बेसिकली हमें चारों साइड से देखना है कि साइट कैसा है और अंदर से लेके बाहर जाते हुए और बाहर से अंदर आते हुए सब कुछ उसमें कवर हो जाए. चाहे आप हमें थोड़े पार्ट्स में व्हाट्सएप पे भेज दीजिए.
अच्छा ठीक है मैम, मैं आपको कल तक भेजती हूँ और आप एक बार ही प्लीज देख के बताना, अगर ठीक नहीं होगा तो मैं फिर जैसा आप बोलोगे मैं वैसा करके भेज दूंगी। ओके मैडम जी, थैंक यू।
Thank you. This is an example of the walkthrough that one of us had prepared or got from before the site began. The designer makes the presentation after getting the measurements, drawings, and the videos that were readily available. Over here, the concept plan and layout, along with the color scheme and defined primary and secondary materials. Along with that, implementing the mood board plan layout, specifying all the elements of the house and the specific choice of furniture and colors in a particular mood board plan layout. Virtual workspace setup. For a meeting with a client, before that, we would want to tell you how to actually plan a virtual workspace setup. It is quite simple. You just need to have a couple of things kept in mind. Choose a neutral background for a video call, so there is no distraction in your background. Take a dedicated space, preferably a space with silence that has your laptop or desktop so you're easily visible during a call. Keep your files ready in a folder. Adequate lighting would be definitely a bonus so that the video, while the conversation is going on, is not too bright or dark. An element of nature can definitely be added, like plants, sunlight, and hold the phone or iPad, however your conversation, in a landscape mode. But do check your connection in prior because this is a virtual work setup. The client has a meeting with the designer virtually, discussion on the plan, and freezes down the plan. Internal coordination begins in the design studio. 3D work design starts with coordinating with the principal designer and the design heads over WhatsApp, Zoom, TeamViewer, Google Task, and Hangout. The principal designer can use all these applications to dedicate tasks, manage internal coordination, and keep in check the kind of work that is happening, having a smooth execution. The client approves with the 3D views and site work initiates. Scene 5. The contractor, designer, and client have been connected. However, how to get approvals virtually? These are some of the examples. Over here, we see the selection of fabric done as 1, 2, or 3 in case there is any confusion at site, the kind of veneer and polish, the kind of paint texture, and often marking the number of steps um, using WhatsApp have been placed over here. Flooring fabrics, wall paint textures, all kind of simple approvals can be easily done over WhatsApp too. All these examples are a clear indication of approvals done in WhatsApp previously. This is an example of a walkthrough post completion. Please make sure all these videos have been prepared by the client or the contractor, not by the designer. The designer has just maintained a continuous conversation loop and making the conveying of the message of how to make the video very easy for all of them to understand. This is how the virtual workspace is made of. A virtual triangle is easy and works easily. All we have to keep in mind is using all kind of handy tools readily available to maintain the connection and connectivity between the client, the design studio, the contractor. Keep your instructions clear and as informative as possible. Keep in mind different things and small things like keeping your language in Hindi or English, whichever the client or the contractor is comfortable in. Thank you for your time. We hope it was useful, and it's not over yet. The bonus content is coming up. Please type in your questions in the chat box and we will take them shortly. We have a little poll before we read and formulate all your questions together. Can we have the poll, please? Well, I guess it's working. We'll have the results soon.
So far, 26 has been voted out of 44.
Yes, Gaurav, we have seen your hand raised. We will get back to you. Give us a minute.
Can I end the poll? There are 31 has voted so far out of 43.
I think we
72.
can.
The last 10 seconds.
Last 3 seconds. 3, 2. I think we can end this poll and go for the next one.
So just publishing, sharing the result of first poll.
Yes, 40% of the people are right, and so are the 23%, and so are the 31. The Google Forms can be used for team coordination to understand and convey the client requirements very clearly, but primarily the Google Forms are meant for knowing the exact requirements of the client. Can we have the next poll? The next poll is on your screens, and we have 1 minute. Please.
As of now, it is on 50-50, email and WhatsApp.
Which is the best medium for getting the approvals with the clients virtually?
Last 10 seconds.
I think this 10
Only
seconds
email.
is tiebreaker.
3, 2, 1.
Well, there is no correct answer to this. Whatever works for everybody. We are happy with email and WhatsApp. Thank you, guys. Do we have a last question? What all are included while planning your ideal workspace? A, neutral background, B, pen and paper, C, a proper network connection, or all of the above? We are so happy everyone heard us correctly. The poll will be closing in another 30 seconds. We're left with very few people to vote. If you can do it quickly, we'll move on to your bonus content. 5, 4, 3, 2.
1.
Yes, the correct answer is all of the above. It is advisable to have a neutral background, a ready pen and paper, and a proper network connection. All of the above are important and will be essential for any ideal meeting.
There will be last poll. One more
Oh,
poll.
we have another one. Go ahead.
Yes.
Was our presentation helpful? Yes, please do. It'll, it'll be really nice for us. Please be honest in this one.
There are certain question and answers coming up, so we'll be picking up them soon.
Sure. Sintaji, can you just collaborate all the questions?
Last 10 seconds.
We only have 5 people who haven't voted. So if you want, go ahead. We have another 15 for you.
Three, two, one.
Thank you so much. We appreciate your compliments. And now we will be moving to the bonus content. We would leave the bonus slide on for anyone and everyone to see while we take the Q&A. So everyone asked us where we made the videos from. The comics were used by Do Comics. It's a phone app. You can download it. How we three coordinated was Zoom and WhatsApp, a lot of WhatsApp, and there were online emails. But we proposed the 3 Google tools that you can easily use for your internal team coordination, and TeamViewer is definitely you can use with your clients as well. Google Keep is something that to keep your keep your notes very handy while you're at site and when you're sitting on your laptop. It is generally compatible with any common Gmail ID. Google Task is easily used for dedicating tasks to all your internal teams, and you can assign them tasks, but this is done through, again, a common Gmail account. TeamViewer, I think most of us know it. It gives us the provision of taking over control, someone else's screen virtually, and it becomes easy to point out directions while in a conversation. We're going to leave this on and we'll take the Q&As. Smitaji, have we collaborated any of the Q&As? We can take them. Please remember,
Yeah,
we will call out your name.
one we can pick up is so there's a question from Manish ji. We are expecting contractors or supervisors to be tech savvy in order to make it work. Is that really possible, keeping in mind the literacy level and exposure to the technology at such lower levels in the construction chain?
Amitji, do you want to take this?
Here we are, while connecting with the contractor, we are asking them to only use mobile. And while connecting with the client only, we are asking some of the tools which might be client using, and that keeping in mind the basic mobile with the camera phone, that's what we are expecting to handle by the contractor. There is anything special we are asking to handle them. We are just how to handle the video of to supervise the ongoing work. We are seeing by their mobile phone, we can see the work, how it is going. And the WhatsApp is everybody is today using, most of the workers also, laborers also, because most of the people are not from here, they are staying, means they are migrated, so they are using WhatsApp and this anyways to connect with their families. So they are now used to this kind of tools, which is very basic nowadays. So that's what we are asking contractor to handle, at least WhatsApp and the video in their mobile. So in this our presentation, while conversation with the contractor, we have not used any specialized tool. I hope it's fine. Or if
I think it answers most of the questions. We've tried to keep in mind while making this presentation that whatever tools we propose are readily available and handy in everyone's phone. In conversation and focusing on the contractor, हमने सिर्फ और सिर्फ व्हाट्सएप दिया है और कुछ नहीं दिया है एंड व्हाट्सएप के ही लोकेशन, वीडियो, ऑडियो, फोटोज यही फीचर्स हैं और हमने कोई फीचर कॉन्ट्रैक्टर की साइड से यूज नहीं किया है. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्मिता जी.
Yeah, there is a question from Sheetal ji. Sheetal ji, would you like to answer? Would you like to question? Kindly unmute yourself first.
Hello.
Hello Sheetal ji, please ask your question.
Also introduce yourself.
Hello.
ma'am. Also introduce yourself.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yes, you are, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, so my question is, I'm a designer, Delhi-based designer, and I personally think that visiting on a site at least once is very important. I have also done many designing projects without many visits, multiple visits at site, but at least one visit is required to understand a few hidden technical things at the site. Because without knowing that, my designs will not properly will be technically sound for that site, and the contractor and the factory or the carpenter whomsoever is working on that will not be able to understand to solve those things which I can make them understand how to follow. Yeah, that's my question.
So I believe to form your question better, you're trying to understand एक बार site पे जाना important है, plus how to coordinate between different manufacturers and vendors altogether.
Coordinating with different people, that's not it, it's not that big problem. Main problem is site. Maybe this might be in many people's mind that visiting site gives us a better picture of the few technical faults or maybe few technical reality. They show us the few technical reality of the site. So before making any design for a particular space, visiting site is important according to me. So how can we do it virtually, this thing?
I think let's bounce this question to someone in the audience. Yogesh ji, would you like to answer?
Yeah, I can reply to this.
Go ahead.
Believe me, if your practice makes it perfect, we are in habit of going to site and doing it. That's the reason we are doing it this way. I'll say only one thing. Like so far in my life, I've completed many projects and I've never visited those sites ever. I make a rule that I don't visit my site. If I don't visit my site, initially it took a lot of challenge for me. But then what I started doing was I started converting the complete site as it is on 3ds Max. I made a 3D design virtually in my office first. And I made sure that it's exact replica. So I never went it. I sent my team for the visiting. And I got everything done. So it saved my time, saved my energy. And virtually I was there in that building like a matrix. Once I'm inside the matrix, I'm able to see all the walls, all the windows, or each and every detailing, where is the switch point, and if you have a contrast videos with you. So both the things which you can coordinate well in your mind, you are able to see the site. You don't need to go there. Like you can do tremendous changes without going to the site. Because what happens when you go to the site, my personal experience, I'll tell you, I'll share my personal experience. If you go to the site, your sites and your ideas get limited. With the walls, you are limited. But when you see virtually and when you see from the top, you can see it in a better way. You can see through it because you are actually seeing the whole structure at one go. And at the first time when you watch it virtually, your ideas will be much better. I think you will be a better designer. So I think you should start practicing that. I did it. So I was able to successfully do it.
And adding to this question, I want to add that we are here discussing post-lockdown scenario where we are not allowed to meet. So that's where it is coming. If it is allowed to meet, there is no question of searching this, exploring this.
Having the virtual workspace.
या ये एक्सप्लोर हम लोग इसीलिए कर रहे हैं कि पोस्ट लॉकडाउन जब दिक्कतें आएंगी विजिट में तब क्या करना है, ये उसी का सब्स्टिट्यूट है.
Shall I add? Yeah, shall I add? This is Deepak Gura. Shall I add?
Sure. Please?
Yeah.
Yes, sure.
See, we are discussing about post COVID only. So
Yes.
ये और बेनिफिशियर है कि अगर सपोज आप दिल्ली में बैठे हैं और आपके पास बेंगलोर में प्रोजेक्ट आ रहा है, तो आपके जो वर्चुअल हैंडलिंग है और आपका एक्सपेंशन आपको करना है, हर साइट पे आप खुद विजिट करेंगे, बहुत डिफिकल्ट, आप खुद एक्सपेंड नहीं हो पाएंगे, 3-4 साइट ही हैंडल कर पाएंगे। तो बेटर है कुछ हम स्ट्रेटजाइज करें, प्लानिंग करें, कुछ चेकलिस्ट क्रिएट करें। जो आपने एक डिजाइन की, शीतल ने एक पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन की बात कही, तो उनको मालूम है एक पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन कहाँ पर क्रिटिकल फेज है, जहाँ पर गलती होने के चांसेस हैं, तो वो चेकलिस्ट में कन्वर्ट करके हम कॉन्ट्रैक्टर्स से वो फीडबैक ले सकते हैं कि ये क्या चल रहा है, या वीडियो मतलब कुछ पैटर्न्स बनाकर हम एक लिमिट ना करें कि हम बिना साइट हैंडल ही नहीं कर सकते। ओवरसीज से भी साइट्स होती हैं, वो मॉनिटर्स होती हैं, एग्जीक्यूट होती हैं वेल प्लान मैनर से। तो हम अपने आप को लिमिट ना करें कि ये कोविड के कारण ही सिर्फ हम करेंगे, नहीं तो कोविड खत्म हो गया तो हम अपने पुराने पैटर्न पे आ जाएंगे। ये हमें और बेनिफिट हो रहा है कि हम अपने आप को टेक्नोलॉजी ओरिएंटेड बनाए।
I'll take, on this note, we'll take one more note from Junaid ji.
Yeah, very nice presentation. I'll speak in general. Very nice presentation by Sanchita and her team, and then they have given us the deep insights of how things will be shaping up. Now, my will be for all the questions that are being raised here is that we will have to adhere to this technology sooner. Like as they say that अभी गिरा है तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा. So now it virtually boils down to our bread and butter. So we will have to adapt this technology. Of course, there will be challenges of all the questions that are being raised today. Maybe over a period of time when we get into the practice, it will never be there once we are there into the practice. So I would say that all the questions that are being raised is okay. Then people will start learning. We were new to WhatsApp. We never knew WhatsApp facilities. Now we know that it can be used as a virtual tool for our interior designing purpose. So that's very good. And these questions will eventually not be there once we start adhering to this technology. Over to Sanchita.
Okay, I think we can take the next question, Smita ji.
Yeah, there was a question from Rakesh ji. So Rakesh ji, would you like to ask?
I think most of the question is already been described, but I want to say अगर साइट पे जाना पॉसिबल है तो once in a week, once in a month, as far as possible जो हम कर सकते हैं वो करना पड़ेगा. But if there is not possible, तो जब साइट को एग्जीक्यूट करना होता है तो साइट पे एक टेक्निकल बंदा होता है, तो will handle all the site. So we have to describe our opinion to that person, not a vendor or जो काम कर रहा है कारपेंटर, उसको हमें describe नहीं करना है, because we cannot leave the site on the carpenter's or vendor's shoulders. So
also, I believe, Rakesh ji, to add to your comment, I have had a site issue जहाँ पे welding रात को हो रही थी, and being a female, you're not allowed at certain places for security reasons. So वहाँ पे एक simple welder जो वहाँ पे सिर्फ welding करता है, he's new in the profession, he only has a smartphone. I explained it to him over the phone कि आप ऐसे चल के जाओ और ऐसे वीडियो लो तो मुझे समझ में आ जाएगा आप क्या पूछना चाहते हो. And you would not believe, 5 minutes of explaining it did take on the phone, but the video came out and he learned the same trick for life. And for getting my weekly updates before planning the site visit, you can use this tactic to plan your meeting also.
yeah,
Moving on to the next question, Smita ji.
Yeah, so there was a question from Vineet ji as well. Vineet ji, Pradeep ji. So if you would like to ask Pradeep ji.
हाय एवरीवन. संचिता जी, मेरा सिर्फ पूछना ये था, वर्चुअली प्लानिंग के दौरान जैसे कोई प्रोडक्ट्स आप लोग सिलेक्ट करते हैं, आईटेक
Sir, your voice is bit less audible. Could you just increase the volume?
मैम ऑन द फुल नोट. मैम, जो प्रोडक्ट्स आप लोग फाइनलाइज करते हैं वर्चुअल प्लानिंग के दौरान, इसको भी क्रॉस चेक करना जरूरी होगा भी जिस प्लेस पे वो प्रोडक्ट्स चाहिए दैट आर इजीली अवेलेबल और नॉट. इफ दे आर इजीली अवेलेबल ओवर देयर, देन जो फिनिश आप लोगों को चाहिए 100% उसकी कंप्लायंस कौन लेगा? आर यू टेकिंग द इनिशिएटिव कि वो 100% जो क्वालिटी आप चाहते हैं, जो फिनिश आप चाहते हैं, दैट इज बीइंग मेट?
To answer your question, sir, we included this in the presentation itself, that we asked the client to have a skilled contractor for starters. Second, the client in this case is selecting the contractors. In case, in such a scenario of being a designer or architect, you are proposing the contractor. A little sample of anything or any finish can be sent via courier in case you are not physically going, and approvals can be based in terms of a courier reverse. So in order to address this, it is possible. We are not saying कि eventually हम site visit करना ही बंद कर दें industry में, but these are solutions. Post lockdown काफी बार होगा आप नहीं निकल पाएंगे, नहीं जा पाएंगे. These are solutions that might help it ease your planning, processing and everything. Considering जो हम Google के आपको propose कर रहे हैं tools, there are new tools. जैसे हम Zoom call करते हैं. Today morning, Google has launched Google Calling, not Hangouts, Google Calling via Gmail with a possibility up to 100 participants. We've not been including that over here because we've not tried and tested it. These are tried and tested. So I hope it answers your question. I think we can take the next question by Rohit ji.
Before going to any question, I would just add here, we are not opposing site visit. We are just saying in case if it is not possible, what can be done and should not stop our work. What can the other possibilities? It is just enhancing ourselves. We are not promoting anything that
looking at the present situation.
Virtual office will take
place. We had also added a mood board presentation.
Okay, we can take the next question, and before it sounds like a Q&A open forum, we are going to wrap it up with one more bonus content which is very useful for everybody. And Smita ji, how many questions do we have? Can we just have them next one?
We are having. There is a question from Mayank ji. What about the checking of the quality of work being done by the different contractor, specifications, the levels of different surfaces? I think in place of client complaining for quality of work, we must be quite aware of what type of work is going on. So this was the question from Mayank ji.
Okay. So do we want to put this in the audience? Anyone in the audience wants to answer this?
Shall I? This is Deepak Arora.
Yes, Deepak ji, go ahead.
Please.
मैं कुछ ना क्वालिटी चेकलिस्ट के प्रोसीजर्स हैं, मतलब क्वालिटी चेकिंग करने के एक प्रोसीजर है. हर एक स्टेज पे एक चेकलिस्ट होती है जो हमें हमेशा चेक करनी चाहिए. तो एक्चुअली वो प्रैक्टिस नहीं है हमारी इंडस्ट्री में बहुत ज़्यादा. तो कोई भी स्टेजेस हैं, हर एक ब्रेकडाउन करके उसको हर एक स्टेज पे एक चेकलिस्ट पे कन्वर्ट किया जाता है और उसको चेक किया जाता है. इसमें कॉन्ट्रैक्टर और या क्लाइंट का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव और प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट का रिप्रेजेंटेटिव उसको साइन करता है. तो वो एक अप्रूव हो जाता है कि ये मतलब क्वालिटी चेक हुआ है. ये एक मेथड है जिसके थ्रू हम क्वालिटी चेक कर सकते हैं. Sorry.
Shubhankar ji, you would like to add?
Shubhankar ji, want to say something? Shubhankar ji?
Okay, let's take Rohit ji's question.
Yeah, Shubhankar ji, want to say?
Hi, good evening all. Just want to add here that since we are talking about virtual workspace, I think we should really stick to it. Our question should be more about the app based and the virtual app based rather than the knowledge that we have on site. So one of the apps that we use in our office for all of our employees is day-to-day expense. It's an app which we track our expenses upon for all the daily expenses of all the leaders and on-site people, and it's a very helpful app. So at night at around 9:30 and 10, we receive these expenses, every vendor and every people, and we gather it as per our accountings. So that's something that you can look into. Thank you.
Thank you, Rohit ji. Shubhankar ji.
Yeah. Good evening, all. Hope I'm audible.
Yes, you're audible.
Sorry. I would ask something for the virtual workspace. means there will be some problems in the site. But if we start with our office virtual space, the main topic which we were speaking, there are means it depends upon the projects. If we are working on a large scale project, the teams are there who handle the project. They use in CAD we use XREF. So means a single file is operated by a couple of the team members. But if we are having some issues, means the numbers, lockdowns or XYZ some. So should we focus on means WhatsApp, Instagram, these mediums we are already using. Okay, the Zoom, this video calling just got introduced. But what about what the next step means? Should we go for an online server? We have Dropbox, but it's slow. Means if we can't use it together, we can just save the files on a folder. But what about the online servers if we are talking about the virtual workspace?
To answer your question, Shubhankar ji, this presentation was kept in mind that we will have to cater to all levels, and it needs to be any software we propose should be very handy and easily understood. You're correct. There are certain projects where the files are being used at multiple levels. For that, there are also softwares like Slack, Asana, and many other apps that you can also go for, like you very rightly said, an online server. But if you want to go for app based, there are large amount of apps offering large amount of services. Today's presentation was kept in mind that it should be easily accessible, easily downloadable, totally free, and very basic to understand. Going by large scale projects, yes, if your file sizes are not supported by the applications, you might have to go for an online server.
Thank you.
Thank you, Shubhankar ji. Which is the next question, Siddha?
Thank you.
Chetan ji, would you like to ask anything?
Chetan ji? You'd have to unmute yourself, sir. Okay, Manish ji, you've raised your hand. You can ask. Please go ahead.
So I would like to ask, what is the error percentage that we are looking into this entire virtual thing? I mean, between the coordination to execution, how much is the error percentage that we're looking for?
Sir, the amount of error depends on the scale of the project. We will be very honest about this. Generally, if you take and opt for weekly updates, the chances of error go down. A clear sense of communication in the way, अगर आप bedroom पूछ रहे हो तो वो correct bedroom पूछ रहे हो. It's not master bedroom, it's the son's bedroom or the daughter's bedroom. Which room are you in conversation about? So it needs to be clear instructions to minimize the error. That is one of our advice. Scale of the project, yes, commercial projects बहुत बड़े होते हैं. कई बार there are hotels, there are multiple things that look identical at site. So a clear communication is something we would definitely recommend. The more clearer the communication, the better it would get.
I would like to add something over here.
Sure.
So on this note, what I actually wanted to speak was that, you know, in large projects, we generally have a person on site, like an architect or an interior designer. You know, we hire you know, on-site consultancy agency also, or we try and introduce an architect to sit with the contractors as well. So in post-COVID distinct scenario, I also feel that, you know, the client would also, for smaller projects also, they can hire a 2 set of or a 3 set of agencies, you know. So I think our networking should be very strong to cater that. If tomorrow I'm not able to, if I have a project pan-India level and I'm not able to, you know, do in hand with this virtual workspace and something like that. So the most common thing that I can always go for is hiring some interior designer or an architect from that locality or, you know, person whom can support me on the drawing structure and, you know, as well as on the CAD drawings and whatever. So I guess that would also be very much helpful. I know virtual workspace will bring, but if we can attach more and more people with us, on the contrary, share our
To add to Rohitji's comments, thank you, Rohitji. To add to your comments and to cater to this question that is coming up again and again, we are not here for product promotion, but I can give you a quick idea of what happens if the scale of your project is really big. There are companies that make 360-degree virtual tours using their gadgets. They can do it on contract basis, so you don't have to go to the site at all. They will do it by a camera themselves. If your project scale can afford that kind of budget, and you can have that facility right in your mobile. The virtual tours are adaptable to mobiles and can be seen by your laptop. So there are facilities. It depends on the budget, it depends on the time, and it depends on the kind of team we have. Moving on to the next question, I think Ruchiji raised her hand.
Ruchiji, yeah, she was raising her hand.
Ruchiji? Okay, Chetanji, do you want to ask your question? We were waiting for you that time.
Nothing.
Okay. Next question is what to do when there are some errors which we cannot identify by the camera, by Rakeshji. Rakeshji, what the human eye can capture cannot be captured in a lens. Yes, we believe in it. अगर कुछ बहुत स्पेसिफिक है जो हम आइडेंटिफाई नहीं कर पाते,
especially for interiors, finishing and furnishing.
Absolutely, एक skirting का क्रैक भी नहीं दिख सकता हमें virtual tours में, but we understand there will be issues and errors. जितना clear हो सकता है उतना better होगा. These are tools to adapt and make your life easy. They are not, this presentation is not definitely about site पे जाना बंद कर दो. This is not that.
It is not possible.
Yeah, that is.
Can you share some apps for making a virtual tour? Vinitji, we can definitely take up that request in one of our sessions. We have limited time now, and there's definitely bonus content waiting. So we'll take up the remaining questions quickly. Smitaji?
There are not much of the questions. I think we can start with Ayushi ji now.
Okay. Do we have a last question? Anybody who wants to ask anything? Have the format you need. I think there are no more questions and we can close the show for today. Thank you everyone for being here. It was a great evening and we will take down all your suggestions. The bonus content will be there in the all group. Thank you.
It was a pleasure. I'm